wherein BJP MP Anand Kumar Hegde's remarks against Chief Minister Siddaramaiah, addressing him in a singular noun while taking him on for anti-Hindutva, has sparked a row in the state, with Congress leaders demanding that the BJP act against this MP. Now, the BJP MP made these remarks while launching a tirade against Siddaramaiah for his recent statements on Ram Mandir inauguration. Meanwhile, Karnataka's Home Minister G. Parameshwara has responded that action shall be taken against him as per sections under the law. Right now, this is the particular situation that's ongoing. We'll bring you some political reactions from the political leaders in the state. Let's have a look at what they have to say about the case.
ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಅವನಿಗೆ ಪುನರ್ಜನ್ಮನೂ ಸಿಗಬಾರ್ದು. ಈ ಜನ್ಮ ಅಂತೂ ಕಳೆದೋಗತ್ತೆ, ಮುಂದಿನ ಜನ್ಮದಲ್ಲಿಯೂ ಕೂಡ ಅವನು ಇವತ್ತೇ ಸಾಯ್ಬೇಕು, ಹೊಡೆತಾ ಹೀಗಿರ್ಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಈ ನಿಟ್ಟಿನ ನಮ್ಮ ಹೊಡೆತ ವಿರೋಧಿಗಳಿಗೆ ಆಗ್ಬೇಕು. ಕಾಂಗ್ರೆಸ್ ನಮ್ಮ ವಿರೋಧಿ ಅಲ್ಲ. ಕಾಂಗ್ರೆಸ್ಸಿಗೆ ನಮ್ಮನ್ನು ವಿರೋಧ ಮಾಡೋ ಕೆಪಾಸಿಟಿನೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. ನಮ್ಮ ವಿರೋಧಿಗಳು ನಮ್ಮ ತಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಹುಚ್ಚು ಹುಳವನ್ನು ಬಿಡ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ, ಹಿಂದುತ್ವದ ವಿರೋಧಿ ಹುಳುಗಳು, ಸನಾತನದ ವಿರೋಧಿ ಹುಳುಗಳು, ಇದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ, ಅವರು ನಮ್ಮ ವಿರೋಧಿಗಳು.
ನೋಡಿ, ಅನಂತ್ ಕುಮಾರ್ ಹೆಗ್ಡೆ ಅವರು ಈ ರಾಜ್ಯದ ಒಬ್ಬ ಸಂಸದರು, ಕೇಂದ್ರದಲ್ಲಿ ಸಚಿವರಾಗಿದ್ದಂಥವರು. ಅವರು ಮಾತನಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಜವಾಬ್ದಾರಿಯಿಂದ ಮಾತನಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತೇಳಿ ನಾವೆಲ್ಲ ನಿರೀಕ್ಷೆ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಮತ್ತು ಕಳೆದ 3 ವರ್ಷದಿಂದಲೂ ಕೂಡ ಅವರು ಏನು ಮಾತನಾಡಿರಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಅವರೆಲ್ಲೂ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಸಾರ್ವಜನಿಕವಾಗಿ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾನೆ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಇದಕ್ಕಿದ್ದಾಗೆ ಚುನಾವಣೆ ಹತ್ರ ಬಂದಿದೆ.
ಅನಂತ್ ಕುಮಾರ್ ಹೆಗಡೆ ಅವರೇ, ಮೈಂಡ್ ಯುವರ್ ಟಂಗ್. ನಾಲ್ಗೆ ಹಿಡಿತದಲ್ಲಿರಬೇಕು. ಒಂದು ಅಹಿಂದ ಲೀಡ್ರು, ರಾಜ್ಯ ರಾಷ್ಟ್ರ ರಾಜಕಾರಣದ ಒಂದು ಅದ್ಭುತ ರಾಜಕಾರಣಿ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಮಾತಾಡುವಾಗ ಮಾನ ಮರ್ಯಾದೆ ಇಲ್ವಾ ಅನಂತ್ ಕುಮಾರ್ ಹೆಗಡೆ ಅವರೇ? ಏನು ಹಿಂದೂ ಧರ್ಮ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಅಪ್ಪನ ಮನೆ ಸೊತ್ತ? ನಾವು ಹಿಂದೂಗಳೇ ರೀ. ನಿನಗೆ ಹೆಂಗೆ ರಕ್ತದಲ್ಲಿ ಹಿಂದೂ ಧರ್ಮ ಇದೆಯೋ ನಮಗೂ ಅದೇ ತರ ಇದೆ. ಅನಂತ್ ಕುಮಾರ್ ಹೆಗಡೆ ಅವರೇ, ಮೈಂಡ್ ಯುವರ್ ಟಂಗ್. ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಬಿಜೆಪಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಟಿಕೆಟ್ ಸಿಗಲ್ಲ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದೆ. ಈಗ ಏನಾದ್ರೂ ಮಾಡಿ ಬಿಜೆಪಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಟಿಕೆಟ್ ತಗೋಬೇಕು.
Well, currently we are cutting across to Akshara to understand this entire situation and put it into perspective. Akshara, what is the situation like on the ground currently? Because we see a war of words that's now broken out, especially with the Congress leaders consistently demanding that action be taken against this BJP leader. So is there, and against this BJP MP for that matter, so is there any reactions we've seen from the BJP with regards to what's been said by Anand Kumar Hegde?
Well, you see, the Congress leaders here have lashed out at this particular BJP MP Anand Kumar Hegde for his remarks against Chief Minister Siddaramaiah. He addressed the Chief Minister Siddaramaiah in a singular noun, and it didn't go well with the Congress leaders here. And also the Congress leaders are also demanding that this particular MP must speak responsibly of such leaders of high stature, and also ensure that he speaks in the future as well. He speaks in a responsible manner. Because of the position he holds. And on the other hand, few of the BJP leaders have distanced themselves from this remark that is being made by Anand Kumar Hegde, and that they have refused to speak on the issue, while few others have defended the remarks of BJP MP, their party colleague. On the other hand, the Anand Kumar Hegde, the BJP leader, also speaking against Chief Minister Siddaramaiah, made a remark on demolishing the mosques built on temples at the very same venue where he seen speaking against Siddaramaiah. So already a case has been registered against Anand Kumar Hegde in the state of Karnataka for allegedly making provocative statements that would intimate another individual to commit an offence, and also under various other IPC sections for creating enmity between two groups. So an FIR has already been registered. And the Karnataka Home Minister has already spoken on the issue and said that they would look into this matter and ensure that the necessary action can be taken against you under the law.